Product lifecycle. Are you working on easy to repeat checklists, or you are inventing new ones every time? We don't want to invent bicycle. If we do something, we want to know how it went, and we want to repeat it faster, more efficiently, and easier as before. So what is product lifecycle? It's a series of events that take a product or service from its beginning to the profits. How do we make money? It's idea to design the fastest route to success. Helps you to understand steps along the way in correct order and what to do next. Focus, right? And we want to create repeatable growth model that we need when we start hiring employees. When the employee people come in, you're going to want to tell them, okay, here is the checklist already. You handle this task, she handles this task, this person handles this task. That's the reason why. And now people understand the whole cycle and can perform in delivering results much faster than going back and forth with communication with every single time. So why product lifecycle is important? What we need is clarity, big picture. We need to understand how the big picture works. Every role needs to understand that, right? Otherwise, they're just doing a little task, they don't even know why, right? Focus, action steps, speed, cash conversion cycle. The key question is, how can we create a repeatable growth model? How can we create a model that we can repeat and get the same or better results? And so there's a good quote that you cannot change the way people think. All you can do is give them tool to use of which will change their thinking. And you know that this whole module has been all about that, right? And so it's important because, you know, all these decisions, all these has to be done effectively and efficiently depending on asking the right questions. And so Lifecycle makes you to ask right questions if you normally would not, because you can put into the checklist, you can put tasks which drive the questions, decision makings. And first we do the product research, we analyze how fast we can release something, and then we build a checklist. And context of the product lifecycle is easy. We have stages, like for instance, on Amazon Business, we have research stage, sourcing stage, preparation stage, launch stage, rank stage. And it's important to chop up the tasks into stages because it's easier to measure each stage. Each stage has to go through on specific time frame, and you know, it's easier to outsource tasks and works later, and easier to focus. Cycle is not too long. And of course, it's easier to have an expected result. So this is example preparation stage that has steps inside, and it also has an end result. And we recommend to have an end result. And basically what you want to do is, if you have some stage, then if you can measure these end results, are you making this stage faster and more efficiently by time or not? So I hope you liked the video, then thumbs up, right? If you want to hear more from me about how to build Amazon businesses, how to be productive, how to build remote teams, how to automate your Amazon businesses, how to sell Amazon businesses, everything online business related, then please hit the subscribe button and you will hear more from me. So next thing, if you want me to help you, if you find I can help you somehow, then don't hesitate, reach out. You can find links below this video in the description how you can contact me, and let's have a chat.